Video. I gotta get video. I hope this works. Oh my god. Ah! It's been such a long time. I'm sorry if you were expecting some big cinematic video of me coming back with drone shots of me riding on my bike like the majority of motovloggers out there now, but no, it's just me again. And instead of the GoPro 4 Silver which I had, I have now got a GoPro 5 Black. Oh yes, we have upgraded, not massively, but we have upgraded. It's all good. Ah, there he is. Yeah, mate.
Oh, there we are.
All right, okay. Hello. Yeah, I know. Do you know what? It's so annoying. I was fitting. Can't feel it now.
It's down there.
Where is it? Yeah. Anyway, I use this like double-sided tape for it, but it seems to work. I don't know. Oh yeah, MTX 125R. Go on, let me hear it.
Pure power is what it is.
Yeah! Oh! Get that two-stroke in you! Oh, so good! And that's Blake's new bike. Woo, woo, woo. Ah. As if, look at that. There's no way on earth I'm going to catch up with his bike. It's a two-stroke and it's a 125. Okay, it's just not going to happen. Oh, sunshine! I love being behind Blake and his two-stroke. Smells so good. Can't wait to see Blake's bike on the open road as well, just to see how fast that thing goes.
Car.
Oh, car. Fucking out strong. God. Choking on those fumes then. Hello. Here we are again. Oh, how is it then?
Good, yeah?
Wow! Fucking hell!
My ears getting flipping raped by his fucking intercom. All I can hear is.
Hey, yeah, see, that's what I want to be doing. I mean, I obviously can with this, but it's just sketchy as fuck.
We'll go on the nice way then, the way that's not sketchy.
Oh no, I'll go up there still, I don't care.
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Yeah! Oh, I love this little bike. Whoa! Oh my balls. Yeah! She still got it! Where's he gone? Oh, he's there. What bike is that again? What bike is that again?
AJP.
Oh, AJP. Alright, yeah. See if I can get some shots. Yes! Yeah, go on, do it! Wow. What have you,
Turn it into a supermoto.
nice. That's a state, that is, isn't it? I feel like if I go in there, I'm going to be screwed. I've got to go for it.
Oh yeah.
Oh. I'll go around. Oh my lord. Oh no, 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 no. Oh!
Wait, that was cute. Oh.
No, 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 no. God damn it!
Slightly more aggressive than the TS.
So it's not neutral.
No, it's not.
Okay.
A very aggressive little bike.
Slightly, or. Oh shit. Oh fucking hell. That is a little bit more aggressive, that is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely a little bit more aggressive, that. Woo! Take it slow down here. Not used to this bike. Oh, hell yeah, Blake. That's what we're talking about. Oh, you can feel that pull. Yes! This is more like it. And I'm not even pulling the throttle, really. Do it up here now. Oh yes! We'll go around this way. Oh yes! What a bike! He said he's already broken down twice on it now, but I guess, you know, 2-stroke. It's just worth it really, I suppose. Yeah! Oh yes, this is a bike! I want one! Where do I get one? Yes! Oh my god, Blake, you lucky, lucky man. Wow, this is a beast! Yes! Oh my god! I want one! I want one! That's so much fun! We go into neutral. Is it easy to go into neutral?
Do you want to ride some smoke?
Yeah, go on then.
Let's ride into the area.
Honestly, God, mate, that's mental.
Like,
You can feel it just like the power. Do you want to go on, man?
we'll in a minute.
Not as much.
Stuff up to do with it.
Right. AJS. AJP. AGP. Not AJS. This feels a bit different, this is. Where's the throttle? Oh, there we go. Oh, this is definitely a lot more firmer. Yeah! Yes, this is definitely a lot more firmer though. Sounds good! Sounds good! Yes! I don't know what it is about the two-stroke, it just feels so much more fun. And yes, of course it is more responsive than this four-stroke, but there's just something about the sound and the smell and just, it's just so good! Whereas this is a little bit more laid back. It's still good though. Yes! Oh, it just feels so good to be out again. Oh, that is not good. I do apologise. Did I damage it? Did I damage it? Oh no. Make sure his bike's okay first. They're gonna be like, where's he gone? Okay. I do apologise. I am so sorry. Right, that's okay. No damage by the looks of things. It's just so slippy here. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Alright, so because it isn't first. There you go. Wasn't in first, that's why. Oh, thought I buggered his clutch up then. I am so sorry, dude. I really, really am. Came flying off then. Yeah, I'm not joking, sorry mate, I do apologise about that, like, I checked it over and there's nothing. Literally, it basically drifted around the corner.
Did you get it?
I think so, yeah. I am so sorry, if there is anything wrong with it mate, I'll pay for it.
But honestly, God, I literally came around that corner and just like felt the back wheel just go.
We couldn't hear you for a while.
I know, that's what I found. I was like, oh shit, they're gonna think something's happened. Something did fucking happen. Yeah, something did fucking happen. Oh.